The evolution of maintenance and reliability. Experts have come to understand that design, operation, technology, and organizational culture all significantly impact reliability. Reliability and reliability culture encompasses so much more than maintenance, so our understanding of the two have come to mean completely. Prior to this time, it was assumed that the longer a piece of equipment was running, the more likely it was to fail. But a study in the aviation industry revealed that only 11% of failures could be linked to an asset's age. This brought about a huge change in the way people thought about equipment failure. So began the idea of condition-based maintenance, wherein failures were linked to a change in the condition of an asset. To carry out the analysis this concept required, root cause analysis had to be carried out to try to understand